Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my usual weekly technical analysis outlook videos in which I will comment on what I think will happen to some FX crosses and equities. I have another series running, the Financial Market series, that breaks down topics in the financial market in ways that are easy to understand. You can find the links in the description about these videos. As always, before I begin, I want to clarify that this is not a solicitation or recommendation to enter into long or short positions in the names that I will mention in this video, nor do I have existing positions in them. This is not financial advice, and if you're using this content as a guide to trade, you are doing so at your own risk. Alright, let's start. In this video, I will not be reviewing names that I've covered in past videos and just focus on new coverages. I've put in timestamps, so please use them to skip to the names that interest you. First up, I will cover Sing Ringgit, that is the Singapore dollar against the Malaysian Ringgit, locally known as Sing Ringgit. This cross fell from around 3.55 and completed a rising wedge in March 2024, which led it much lower thereafter. The textbook target of this rising wedge was at 3.3062, which was reached in August. I suspect Sing Ringgit may be forming another bearish pattern, and let me show you. Potentially a head and shoulders top. Now, note that the latest price action, or rather recent price action over here, was rejected or failed to hold above the 20-week simple moving average, and therefore a downside bias is preferred. But let's see, in the coming weeks we need to see a weekly close below the neckline at 3.2053, and if this were to happen, then this bearish pattern is complete. The textbook target is as low as 2.8365, but do take note this is a weekly chart. This can take place across many months, and downside may subside approaching the psychological support around 3.0. Now, I know that there are many Malaysians working in Singapore that have benefited from the stronger Singapore dollar, but the exchange rate has fallen gradually since March 2024. So keep watch on this cross, because there is a risk that it may fall further in the coming year, if not months. Next up, I'm starting a coverage on another hot topic, Bitcoin. Apart from being a hot topic, Bitcoin is also a sensitive topic that divides supporters and detractors. I am in neither camp, I just focus on what the chart tells me. The chart is suggesting a potential formation of a double top, which is a bearish pattern. Of course, we will still have to wait for completion of this bearish pattern via a daily close below the neckline at 89,399.7. If there is completion, then I will be bearish on Bitcoin, and the textbook target is at 70,526.3. Price action in recent days suggests that there is some form of weakness. Apart from closing within the cloud, upside appears to have been exhausted. So let's see how this develops. Moving on to equities, the first name that I have identified is Lonza Group, a Swiss conglomerate. It has just completed a head and shoulders bottom this week via a weekly close above the neckline at 589.4. I'm bullish on Lonza Group now, and the textbook target of this bullish pattern is at 872.2, about 48% upside. Watch out for resistances at 682.6 as well as 782.4 that can reject Lonza lower when tested. Finally, the last name for this video is on Dollar Tree, which may also be forming a head and shoulders bottom, albeit a dubious one. Note that price action has been bouncing off the Ichimoku cloud several times, so it appears well supported. A daily close above the neckline at 76.98 will complete this bullish pattern that has a textbook target at 93.6. That's the end of my sharing. I will give updates to these crosses and names only when there are meaningful development, and in the next video, it will highly likely be on new crosses and new names. If you like what I'm doing, please help me out by giving me a like, please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos like this.